Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss these three definite integrals involving greatest integer function, right? And here we have to evaluate these three integrals not by usual method, right? So here we'll directly write the values of these three integrals by making use of a direct formula, right? So in order to evaluate these three integrals, let us see the structure of these three integrals, right? So here in the first integral, we have 0 to 10 pi, and the integrand is greatest integer of sine x plus cos x, right? In the second integral, we have 0 to 4 pi, and here again we have greatest integer of sine x plus cos x, and in the third integral we have 0 to 18 pi and greatest integer of sine x plus cos x, right? So here we see that the form of these three integrals, it is similar to this form, right? See, if we write an integral from 0 to 2n pi, and here for the integrand we have sine x plus cosine of x dx, then what is the value of this type of integral, right? So the value of this type of integral when the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is of the form 2n pi, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers, and the integrand is greatest integer of sine x plus cos x. So we can write the direct result as a negative of n pi, right? So the value of this integral is negative of n pi. So now using this result, let us evaluate these three integrals. So here, if we compare this integral with this one, then we see that 10 pi is equal to the upper limit. 10 pi is equal to 2n pi. So pi and pi get cancelled. So we have 2n is equal to 10. So n is 5, right? So the value of this integral is minus n pi, and n is 5. So we have minus 5 pi. Now in the second integral, we have 4 pi, right? So 2n pi, which is 4 pi. So 4 pi is equal to 2n pi, and pi get cancelled. So we are left with 4 is equal to 2n, n is equal to 2, right? So the value of this integral is minus n pi, n is 2. So this is minus 2 pi. Now in the third integral we have 18 pi, right? So we can write 2n pi is equal to 18 pi, right? So we compare this integral with this one. So here pi and pi get cancelled. So 2n is equal to 18 and n is equal to 9, right? So here the value of this integral is minus n pi, n is 9. So we have minus 9 pi, right? So this is how we can solve these type of integrals using this general result.